Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. XRP is a popular cryptocurrency for fast transactions, and moving it to Trust Wallet gives you more control and security. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with some XRP in it, and Trust Wallet installed on your phone. If you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from your App Store and create a wallet. It's free and user-friendly. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in. Navigate to your dashboard and find your XRP balance. If you don't see it, search for XRP in the Assets section. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the XRP wallet by searching for it in the app. Trust Wallet supports a ton of coins, so it's easy to find. Once you're there, tap on the Receive button. This will generate a unique wallet address and, importantly, a destination tag. Don't skip the destination tag. It's crucial for XRP transfers to ensure your funds go to the right place. Step 3. Copy that wallet address and destination tag. Head back to Coinbase, select your XRP, and choose the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the destination tag if prompted. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, making sure you leave enough for any network fees. Review the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation on Coinbase, and it might take a few minutes for the XRP to show up in your Trust Wallet. By 2025, crypto processes might have some updates, so always check for the latest fees or requirements. If you run into issues, like a transaction not going through, verify your addresses and tags, or reach out to Coinbase support. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. It's simple once you know the steps, and now you're one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.